the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.